Hello grade 8 students! For today, we will be discussing circles. In today's lesson, you should be able to illustrate and identify the parts of a circle and solve problems involving circle. So what is a circle? When we say circle, it is a set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point called the center. So we have here a figure of a circle wherein the center is point E. We can name a circle using its center, so we can name this one as circle E, or we can use the symbol circle with a dot on the center and letter E. So this one is circle E. Next part of the circle is circumference. When we say circumference, it is the distance around the circle. So the circumference here is the red one here. So this is the main circle, the distance around the circle. In finding the circumference, we can use the formula circumference is equals to 2 pi r, where c is equal to circumference, r is our radius, and pi is equal to 3.1415. Next part of the circle is radius. When we say radius, it is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So from point D to point E, this is our radius. By the way, when we say radius, it is denoted by small r. And when we also say radius, it is the half of diameter. So here, our radius is line segment DE or line segment EB. Now, when we say chord, it is a line segment connecting two points on the circle. So in this given figure, our chord is line segment GH or line segment HG. We also have diameter. When we say diameter denoted by big letter D, it is a chord that passes through the center of a circle. Another, when we say diameter, it is the longest chord, and it is twice the radius. So in this given, our diameter is segment DH or segment HD. So if our radius is 2 cm, automatically our diameter is 4 cm because it is twice the radius. It is considered the longest chord because it passes through the center of our circle. Next, we also have secant. Secant is a line that intersects the circle at 2 points. So in this given, our secant is line HD or line DH. Okay? It passes through the circle at exactly 2 points. We also have tangent. When we say tangent, it is a line that intersects the circle at only 1 point. And the point at which the tangent and the circle touch is called the point of tangency. So here in our figure, the tangent line is line FD or line DF, and the point of tangency is point D. Now, we also have arcs and types of arc. When we say arc, it is a set of points along the circle connecting to radii. By the way po, when we say radii, it is the plural form of radius. So, first arc is what we call semicircle. Semicircle is an arc that is half of the circumference. It measures is exactly 180 degrees. So in naming a semicircle, we may use 3 points on the circle. So here, our semicircle is arc DFG, or we can also write this one as arc GFB. We also have major arc. So when we say major arc, it is an arc that is larger than semicircle, wherein the measure is greater than 180 degrees. So in denoting a major arc, we also use 3 points on the circle. So here, our major arc is arc DHG, or we can also write this one as arc GHD. If we have major arc, we also have minor arc. So this one is an arc that is shorter than a semicircle, and its measures is less than 180 degrees. So in naming a minor arc, we use 2 points on the circle. So this one is arc DG or arc GD. Now it's your turn. Name the following. So we have the figure here. Name the circle, 2 radii, the diameter, 2 chords, the tangent, the secant, 2 semicircles, 2 minor arcs, and 2 major arcs. Pause the video for a while and I will reveal the answer afterwards. So here are the answers on our previous exercises. The name of the circle is circle A. The radii here are segment AB, AH, and AE. The diameter is segment BE. The chords are segment BE and segment GF. The tangent line is line CB. And the second line is line CF. We also have 2 semicircle here, arcs BGE and arcs BHE. We also have 2 minor arcs, arcs BH and arcs HE. We also have 2 major arcs, arc HGE, arc BDH, and arc HBE. Now let's apply these concepts in our problems. Number 1, determine the diameter of a circle if its radius is 2 cm. So earlier, we say that a diameter is equals twice the radius. So if the radius is 2, therefore, D is equals to 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, therefore our diameter is 4 cm. Next problem, determine the radius of the circle if its circumference is 16 pi inches. So earlier, the formula to be used in determining the circumference is C is equals to 2 pi r. Here, in the given problem, the given here is the circumference itself. So we can say that 16r is equal to 2 pi r. But we are looking for the radius. So we divide both sides by 2r. So it will be cancelled. And then r is equal to 16 divided by 2, which is 8 inches. So the radius of this circle is 8 inches. Next problem. What is the perimeter of the triangle formed by joining the centers of 3 identical circles with a diameter of 4 cm? So in this given figure, as you can see, the diameter is 4 cm. So we can determine here that the radius is 2 cm. If the radius is 2 cm, therefore, we can say that this segment is 2 cm. This segment is also 2 cm. And when we combine these two, the length of the sides of the triangle is 4 cm. So, in finding the perimeter, we just simply add all the sides of the triangle. So, A plus B plus C, and the sides of the triangle is 4. So, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of this triangle is 12 cm. Next, a square is formed by connecting the centers of 4 identical circles tangent to each other. What is the perimeter and area of the square formed if the radius is 4 cm? So here in our problem, we have 4 identical circles, and using its center, we created a square. In this given problem, it is also stated that the radius is 4 cm. Therefore, all the sides of our square is 4 cm. Now, when we combine two radius, it is the side of the square. So, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So, each side of our square is 8 cm. We are looking for the perimeter and area of the square. So, to solve for the perimeter, we just simply use the formula 4 times A, which is also equal to 4 times 8. And 8 times 4 is equal to 32 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of the square is 32 cm. In finding the area, we have the formula A is equals to S squared. And we know that the side of the square is measures 8 cm. So, 8 times 8 is equal to 64 cm squared. Now, it's your turn. Solve the following problem and then pause the video for a while and I will reveal the answer afterwards. So here are the key to corrections on our problems. For number 1, the circumference is equal to 10 pi. Number 2, the perimeter is equals to 66 centimeter. Number 3, the radius is 12.5. And number 4, the radius is 3 inches. If you got it correct, congratulations! That's all for today. Thank you very much, and do not forget to access your Keeper accounts. If you have questions, please ask Sir Alex and Miss Ria for clarification. Thank you very much, and God bless.